I'm that lyrical father. Name an MC that spits harder than me and my partner. Cause me and my partner ain't got time for mucking around. Just know what we're in time to take a dime. Getting about man, getting around man, get in the room and addicted to the sound like Brian. Addicted to the sound like crack. Yeah, the torso that is fully packed. Dirty stank, I will fully back. If a boy try to think, I will pull it back. And fast is a mask, I will live it, make a man eat my dance. I'm a deep pan and you're thin cross. Trust me, I'm deep with them in the mic, trust man, hard. Odd, get locked in like them, man, odd. Man, are locked in like them, man, odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man, odd. Odd, get locked in like them, man, odd. Man, are locked in like them, man, odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man, odd. Odd, them man are soft, but us man are odd. Spent bare years in the game, and no, we've never been part. A couple man tried it, but they didn't get far and they ended scarred. Look, this game is a walk in the forest, looking for a bear, man. Has anybody seen one where, man? I remember guys talking tough, but I'm still here, fam. I'm a Dan, let me make that clear. Man wanna clash, I'm cool, I'm here. I'm a Dan, let me make that clearer. And I rep for the new room area. Odd, get locked in like them, man, odd. Man, locked in like them, man, odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man, them, man, them, man, them, man, them, man, odd. Get locked in like them, man, man, locked in like them, man, everybody's locked in like them, man, odd.
With hardcore music. The music is what it's all about. I love it just like you love it. That's why you're here. I'm here because I love to play. You don't come, I can't play, and I love to play. So, we don't make too many speeches because it's all about the music. You just heard a hardcore sequence of hot shot dub plates from down Jamaica way. Right about now, we're going to start to change the pace and change the style. During the course of the night, we switch and we swap and we ride round the track together.
I said to myself, go harder. So I stepped up my lyrical game and I make sure my drums and bass bang harder. While them man are seeking fame, me and dubs are in the studio working harder. No, there's no rest for the wicked. I need some food for the brain. So I go and check my farmer. No, I'm not in no drama, but there's this voice in my head that keeps on telling me let's go harder. Yeah, you're large in the game with a little work, but you could be a lot larger. So I'm listening to myself, I'm working on my health. I'm in the gym pumping weights harder. Odd, get locked in like them, man, odd. Man, locked in like them, man, odd. Everybody's locked in like them, man, odd. Get locked in like them, man, odd. Man, locked in like